Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay on Alibaba with PayPal in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and look for the item you want to purchase on Alibaba, and then go ahead and click the item. From here, you want to start ordering, so click on Start Order. So choose whatever is applicable to you. All right. And then once you're satisfied, go ahead and click again Start Order. Then from here, it should ask you for the shipping address. You can change that, but on the second step, it'll ask for the payment method. And this is where you can choose to pay with PayPal. And just click this, and basically that's it. Now you know how to pay on Alibaba with PayPal in just a few simple steps. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.